Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 5th, 2022. I have already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. There are 3 puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars, the binary and the killer Sudoku. But first, binary puzzle, yes, binary puzzle number, I believe 4207, yes. 4207. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Overlooked. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. Overlook this O also. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And I think I need to compare now. Yeah, we need to compare. Do we compare the rows? Yeah, this row and that row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. Empty box, we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the, I believe, the tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.